What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different compared to the other videos wherein we build some UI related stuff, React JS components, websites, and whatnot. So this video is going to be different and special in a way, since I've been thinking about building this project since quite a few months, but recently, since few weeks, I've actually started working on this. So I present to you DiMAAC, a React.js and Next.js UI library that is very intuitive and easy to use. So here you have the visuals of the library. I present to you DiMAAC. So DiMAAC is basically a React and Next.js UI library that I've been working since past few weeks. So this is the landing page, which is DiMAAC.com. I'll add the link in the description. So the homepage is pretty basic. I didn't want to complicate stuff. And then here, when you click on this Explore Now button, you basically get redirected to UI.DiMAAC.com. Now herein we have all the components that you can basically use in your React or Next.js project. Now I tried to keep the UI very basic and intuitive for the users, just so that it feels more comfortable to them, instead of having all the modern and advanced stuff. So here on the side you can see the navigation. So these are the components basically, and then also we have the component cards here showing up. So as of now we just have 10 components. Now as we go on, I'll be adding up more components every week or every month. So most of them are basically, I'll be trying to put the tutorials on the YouTube channel as well. And yeah, and then the React and then the Next.js version I'll probably be uploading here. So whenever I do that, I'll obviously be showing you guys the new component. So here, and as you can see, we have a couple components. Let's explore a few of them. So this is expandable panel, wherein let's just open it up. So here we have a bunch of images. Now when you click on one, it basically expands. And then yeah, so this is basically the component. Now if I click outside, it closes. You have the demo code for this. We're also having CLI if you want to use the command line interface, so you can just copy and use it, or if you want to manual install it, we just have what you need here. So I have all the code, all the source code down here. You can just copy paste and then do it manually if you want. Then let's explore some more. We have this image gallery, which I think we already have a tutorial on this on the YouTube channel. So I think most of the components that we have here, I think I have the tutorial on the channel as well. So this is the rotating gallery, wherein same, the source code, CLI, and everything is in here. Then we have the scrolling gallery, wherein as you scroll, we get this parallax sort of effect. Again, this also has a tutorial. Then you have this liquid image reveal, this cool reveal. The source code is here. Yeah, and then we have this mouse tilt, this cool tilt effect. We have the swipeable cards. I think we'll build something similar here as well. But most of the components that I build on the channel are usually like using vanilla JavaScript. But then if you want to use them in React, you would obviously have to build it by yourself if you're following along the video. So these, I'll try to keep all the components that I have on the YouTube channel. Basically, I'll try to convert them into React and Next.js components, and we'll try to basically have them listed up here so that you guys can use. But yeah, all in all, this is what I've been working on. It still has bugs, it's still messy, still growing. And if you guys find any bug, do mail me, or you can just comment down in this video as well. And also comment down if you liked the project. So yeah, I'll be also keeping this up to date every week or every month. I'll be basically adding up more components as we go on. So this is basically the mouse trail. And then we also have context menu, wherein when you right click, we got this custom menu, which you can customize for your project. We have text loader. Now this is a more like a I think I should have changed the name. This is more like a text preloader instead of just loader. So I think you might have seen in many websites wherein there's this huge text that basically shows up, and then once it's done loading, it just goes away. So this is something like that. So we have some variations here. So we have this red gradient sort of, which has DiMAAC, and then once done, goes away. Of this blue ocean, some few of the variants of the same single component. And then we have this text scramble reveal, which also a video is already there in the channel. So as you move your mouse, you can see that we have this cool effect. So yeah, that's basically what I've been working on. So this is it for this video. There's nothing fancy. I just wanted to introduce this what I worked on these few weeks to you guys. Hope you guys like it. Hope it helps the community. Yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have been watching the videos for quite some time. And also please do let me know about this and whether you liked it or not. What can I do to improve? So yeah, that's it for this video. Meet you guys in the next. Till then, bye bye, take care, and peace.